How's it, everyone? So I get a 2-minute slot as one of the sponsors, so thanks very much. And that's my time up. Thanks. So very quickly, I don't have a huge amount of time to say much, but I think if we look at what TED is all about, technology, entertainment and design, I think the manifestation of some of the biggest changes in that have been in the mobile phone space over the last sort of 15 years. And it's really been around the form factor. And then you wonder, this was one of my first phones when I worked at MTN. This was the Orbitel Series 901. I shudder to think what the Series 801 and 701 actually look like if this is what the improvement was. So, that's where we've come from. And we've gone from a unit like that to a unit that is like this. So for our lives, and how many here are iPhone users? About 20%. Okay, so this is at absolutely the other extreme. Who would have thought when we were looking at things like this that we'd get a phone with an accelerometer, a compass, a GPS unit, 3G, an interactive interface and touchscreen that really was the game changer in terms of handset devices. And we also have changed the way that we interface with phones. We've gone from speaking into the phone, so the phone used to live over here, to the phone the most of the time actually sitting in front of you, and you're looking at it. But that's really a big focus on the form factor, the unit of the phone. But is that really the place that we need to focus on the technology and design elements? I'm going to finish off with a very quick story about how I see the importance of the technology and how it can really make a difference in people's lives. There's a product called Bubba Job. It's a service that was started in Bangalore. Now, Bangalore is a city that is absolutely gridlocked. You cannot get in and out of it. It is rife with poverty. It's a very, very difficult place to live. But the single thing that makes a difference to people is the ability for one person in that family to have a job. And the single most important thing for that one person to get a job is access to information. And what Bubba Job did is they started a very simple service that allows you to find a job on a day that is close to you. So you don't have to fight the traffic or try and get somewhere. It is somewhere that's very close to you. And that goes to my sort of final point, is that it's not about the iPhones of the world. It's actually about phones like this. Because phones like this allow us to get access to services like USSD. And USSD is what Bubba Job has been built around. And a simple phone like this allows one person in that family to find a job close by, which means the family gets fed, they can go to school, and they can start breaking out of that poverty cycle. So tens of thousands of jobs and tens of thousands of job days have been serviced or created by a service like Bubba Job. So let's not be obsessed by the form function and the changes that happen around the phone itself. Let's be more obsessed about what we can do with the technology and the application on top of that form function, because that's really really where people like yourselves can make a difference to many, many people's lives. Thanks very much.